Sino ulit?
Okay,
Chair,
so
sino ulit na tawag?
it was Claire.
Chair,
It was
uprightness.
Claire.
Claire.
Quiet. Claire.
Uprightness. A.
Is that Claire? Okay, yes. Uprightness. Sige, tignan natin. You saw 1,000 doing you are sweeping the floor. Okay, so basically, you did not do what is right. Okay, ano ba ang kabaliktaran ng doing ay not doing what is right? So doing what is right, and that is uprightness. Okay, when you say uprightness, class, you do what is right. Okay, solidarity, this is not the correct answer because as you all know, solidarity is being in one with your family members or with anyone. Letter C, independence.
Physical, nakaka-distract.
That's not independence.
Physical,
And then
nagdidila.
hard work is not also the correct answer. Kyle?
Yung nakaka-distract, sir, di kita narinig konti. At
Kyle, nakailang warning na speech
Teacher,
sa'yo, Kyle.
did you already answer number 8? Because I'll say the answer is, is it uprightness?
Yes, Claire already said the correct answer. It's uprightness, yes. Because doing what is right. Okay, number 9. Yes po, go na mag-P. Number 9. Okay. Resetting the wheel. We have, who is it? Okay, Shana again. Okay, I have to reset the wheel again. Just have to be called once for today. Peter Troy again.
Peter again.
this roulette loves
Galing.
Peter. Okay, Zoilo. There you go, Zoilo.
What if that Roletta is my son, is my long lost son?
What are you saying, Zoilo? Okay, Zoilo, answer number 9.
Good thing this is all recorded because I could watch it every time.
Why do you want to watch
You
it?
just watch it for himself.
Okay, Zoilo, number 9. Will you try number 9? Keep quiet. Zoilo. Where is Zoilo, by the way? Is he here?
Pero tignan ko.
I saw him a while ago, but not
Nandito siya.
Nandito naman
Zoilo.
siya.
Zoilo, this is easy. Yeah. He's not unmuting. Zoilo, will you unmute and then answer number 9? Okay, Zoilo, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No response. Okay, let me reset the wheel and call for another person.
Baka AFK siya.
What's AFK? Okay, Vincent.
Pero hindi
Carlo.
gumagalaw.
Out from keyboard.
Teacher, yung quiz pa natin sa GMRC is my choices. Wait, that's wrong grammar. If it's out from keyboard, it's away from keyboard. Otherwise, it will be OFK. So it's away from keyboard.
That's a jargon. Vincent.
That Roletta's my long lost son.
But you don't have a wife. How could you have possibly a son? How could you have possibly have a son?
He adopted it.
Si Vincent yung napili. Vincent? Do you know the correct answer, Vincent? Okay, he's not responding. Vincent, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, resetting the wheel. Okay, you're missing your chance for a recitation. It's Jella May again.
Pero di ba graded ang recitation?
Yeah.
May IP.
Okay, go. Vincent Carlo again.
Hello, sir?
Hello?
Hello,
It's like somebody froze you.
Sir,
yes, what is
naghang
it?
ka.
Naghang
Sir, you
ako?
froze. Sir,
Right
kanina.
now? Okay.
Sir, kanina.
Okay, Denzel. Denzel is the
Teacher,
person.
what's that app? I could download it too. Yung Roletta.
It's Tiny Decision. The app is called Tiny Decision. You can also use this when choosing for a fast food chain that you want to eat. Denzel, will you try? Example, you are torn between Jollibee, McDo, and Chowking, so you have to put it in a roulette
They're
and then let it
choking.
decide. Denzel, will you try number 9? Okay, let's keep quiet now.
Yeah, I forgot the answer.
You forgot the answer? Okay, sige. Let me choose another person. Hala, ang tagal natin sa number 9. Okay, Gabriel Terenzo.
Sir Gabriel Terenzo.
Sir, wala siya.
Sir, wala siya.
Yes, he's not around. Denzel again. This roulette is so annoying. You know what? This is random.
Sean Marco daw, Chair.
Oh, yeah, Sean Marco.
Chair, tanggalin mo na, Chair, yung pangalan. Chair, tanggalin mo yung mga pangalan na na-choose
Okay, who's
na.
that? Yeah, who's that who's asking to go to the
Si
comfort
Aaron.
room?
Aaron.
Okay, go na Aaron.
Teacher, I wanted to download it, but I saw
Marco.
that it was a Chinese app, so I didn't download it.
What are your tiniest up?
Keep quiet.
All Chinese
Sean
apps
Marco?
are fake.
Sean Marco,
Yes.
what is the correct answer for number 9? This is a characteristic.
Yung susi ba nila pinagbukas doon sa door na?
Sure.
May kasama yata doon.
Okay,
Testing
Sean,
nila yung
do you want me to call another person?
Nalagay ko kasi kay
Okay,
Pakpak
sige.
yun eh.
It's fine. Okay, I understand. Okay, next. Sige, magtatanggal
Sir, si
muna ako.
Marvin.
Pero magtatanggal muna ako. Para sure.
Sir, may I
Tanggalin mo
pick?
yung mga pangalan na nasulat.
Zoilo, tapos na. Peter
Sir, sabi
Troy.
daw ni Nessa kung pwede daw siya umihi.
Okay, yeah, yes, Nessa, you can go. Patricia, done already. Juliana, natawag na rin. Olivier, Claire. Sino pa kanya? Gabriel Terenzo, Kyle Nathaniel, Sean Marco, Vincent Carlo, Denzel. Sino pa ang natawag ko na kanina? Matea, right? Natawag rin? I know. Tanggalin ko na si Matea. Jaden Hope. Gabriel.
Sir? Sir, wala man
Yes.
si Thea.
Okay, ayan na. Ayan, nabawasan na. Okay, Kevin Michael. Okay, Kevin Michael, number 9. I think he knows the answer for this one. What? Obedience. Okay, malapit na, but it's not the correct answer. That's not the correct answer. This is the first thing that we need to do. We need to have in order to achieve uprightness. Obedience. No. Okay. Let me pick another person. Okay, Ariana Angela.
Self-discipline and self-control.
Okay, yes. Tama yung self-discipline, pero pwede rin yung self-control. Very good, Ariana. So, Ariana knows the answer all this time. Okay, very good,
Self-discipline.
Ariana. Yeah, it's self-discipline.
Self-discipline.
In order for you to be considered as an upright person, you need to have self-discipline first. So, it's like the backbone of having uprightness as a trait. So, when you say uprightness, you do everything right. Okay. For example, you see, what do you call this? You see an old lady passing in a pedestrian lane, but she cannot pass because she's old enough and slow. So you help that grandmother, okay, or you help that old lady. So that's one thing that we can consider as being upright. What else? You saw a classmate that is
Teacher.
cheating, and then you told it to your teacher. Okay, that is being upright also. When we say you are upright kasi class, you are not persuaded by bad decisions. You only do things that are good for you. Wait lang po. You are only doing things that are good for you and the others. Ano po yon?
Is it fair there's erasures in the C work in English because it's super hard?
Super hard.
Yeah, the casual and formal.
Casual and formal, I didn't give particular, I didn't
The
give.
A to C, teacher.
Niro-open mo yata siya kasi tinanggal mo dati. Kasi
Yeah, the subject-verb agreement. Yung subject-verb agreement po.
Yes, teachers, it front have erasures there.
It's
Yeah,
fine if you have
I did.
erasures. Okay, next one.
What are you doing?
Wait, let me just mute. Our telephone is ringing.
Someone is calling.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay,
This is Sajan
Sajan
daw.
for number 10. Yeah. Sajan for number 10. Okay, true or false, Sajan? That annoying caller. Who is that annoying caller? Okay, number 10, Sajan.
The sentence for number 10 is openness is the ability to be one in all activities, projects, and endeavors of the family. For me, it is false.
Why? Why is it false, Sajan?
False because we call solidarity.
Yes.
Okay, we call it a solidarity. Very good, Sajan. Nice explanation.
Because or that? Or because?
Yes, this particular, what do you call this? This particular trait is the ability to be one in all activities is called a solidarity and not openness. Okay, that's right. Number 11. Okay, true or false again? Here's my
Ano yung
ruleta.
112?
Anong 1, 2?
Yan yung mga questions. Diyan.
Saan?
Yan, Chair. 1 to 15 ba? Or 1 to...
You're asking me how many items are there. I'm not sure how many items did I created. Okay, Mark Aaron. Is Mark Aaron here?
Sure, yes.
Okay, Mark Aaron, try number 11. This is easy.
Lawmakers create to keep the discipline in nation. True.
Okay, why? Why is it true? Why is it
Sure,
true?
para ma-discipline yung nation.
Okay,
Sure, para di
lawmakers
magkagulo
create
yung world.
Okay, yes, that's right. So this is true. Lawmakers are creating laws in order for us not to be in chaos. Okay, number 12. Okay. Petril, natawag ko na si Petril kanina. Okay, Charles Christopher. Where is Charles Christopher?
Chair, natawagan na siya, I guess. Hindi
Ay,
ko alam.
natawag ko na ba siya kanina? Okay, next. Shana, Kalista.
Ikaw,
Doon na
Kali.
si Shana, di ba? Yeah. Kali is
Yeah,
already
Kali's
done.
done.
Sajan is also done. Sige, let me remove.
Again?
You just remove
Let
some
me
names.
remove. Kevin, tanggalin natin si Kevin. Petril. Aaron, done na rin. Ariana, done na rin. Joseph Miguel, absent. Charles Christopher. Sajan. Jella, done na rin si Jella, di ba? And then Shana. Okay, ayan. Piling ko marami nang matatawag dito. Iilan na lang, oh. Lara Maris. Lara Maris was not able to answer a while ago, right?
Yes, I was.
Ano
Yeah.
yung sagutan? Okay, sige, Lara.
Sure, yes.
Do number 12. Okay, true or false? We should covet others' possession if our parents cannot afford to buy us that same toy or gadget.
Am I supposed to answer?
True or false? True or false? Answer true or false.
False.
Why? Why is it false, Lara?
Because if you covet other possession, if your parents cannot buy or afford, that's kind of like stealing others' toys or gadgets.
Yes. When we say covet kasi class, It's actually
You're
part
jealous.
of
You're jealous of
uh
something that someone
it's part
else
of the Ten
has, but you don't
Commandments.
have.
Yeah, it's part of the Ten Commandments. Do not covet others' possession or do not covet others' wife. Yun yung nasa Ten Commandments. But when you say covet class, it means that you are wanting something that is not yours, okay? Which is bad. It's a bad trait. Therefore, this is false. Ay, okay. That's the last item. I'm so sorry. Sige. English 5 na. But it's already, what time is it? It's 2:22. Yeah, we still have 8 minutes
Pwede namang
left.
leave.
Wait lang po, hindi. Teacher will give announcements pa. Do you have any questions regarding the topics that we have? Can you still remember the topics that we were able to finish?
Sir,
Di ba
sa anong subject? In GMRC chair or
GMRC po muna. GMRC po muna. The topics include loving your parents and then self-discipline leads to uprightness. Okay, that two topic. Do you have questions with that one?
Sir,
Teacher,
sir, wala.
Wala
Teacher.
po. How about the others? Do you have
Teacher.
concerns?
teacher, my
Yes.
English assignment that you're going to give me, there'll be some erasures. So I'm going to send the pictures, and I'm also going to type my answers.
I only allowed attachments there. I didn't allow you to put
No, teacher, I'm going to use PDF format. I'm always using PDF format if there are multiple pictures.
Okay, if you want to do so, if you're diligent enough to do a PDF. Okay. Anyway, any more questions, class? Clarifications about things? Okay, wait. Magcha-check ulit si teacher na attendance. Joseph, wala pa rin. Juliana, wala pa rin. Busog. Matea. Okay, Joseph, Juliana, Busog, Matea. Okay, questions, class? Do you have questions so far or none?
Yes, teacher. I have.
What's your question, Sajan?
Yes,
My question is that what type of exam will be the mid-quarter exam? Is it like identification? What?
Actually, it's varied. The type of questions are varied. There are multiple choice, there are true or false, there are analysis, just like what we did. First statement
Sir,
is true, second
in
statement is
English and
false.
GMRC, may ganon, sir?
Okay, I'm not going to let you perform something for now because according to the administration, PLE is the only subject that is allowed to have a video and even MAPE, yun lang ang inallow na mag-video na this
Sir,
days.
paano? Sir, paano yung TLE, sir? Kailan mo parang...
PLE, I'm not your teacher anymore in PLE. Na mag-video, na video ang requirement. Okay. Since wala na pong tanong, let me stop sharing and say goodbye.
Sir, I have a question.
Ay, wait, may question daw. Ano po yun?